Hey guys, we got two large fresh pears, so let's go ahead and make some pear sorbet. Super sweet, super simple. All you need is some sugar, two big pears, as well as some water and a blender, and let's go ahead and make this. So go ahead and clean the pear first, and then we're gonna peel off the skin. Be very careful because peelers are very sharp. Just put it against the cutting board and start peeling slowly until you peel off the skin. Then we're gonna cut it into quarters. So cut it in half. Then cut off the bottom part of it. I just usually do a little quick V pattern. So I cut off that as well as some of the seeds. Then I basically run the knife and do a little circle to cut off the rest of the seeds. Be very careful because the knife is sharp. So that's how I usually core my pears. And then I'm going to cut it into quarters. So I'm going to put it all into a blender. Reason why I'm putting it in the blender is so that we can make this into a puree. And we're going to add about 1.5 cups of water to our two large pears. And I'm not sure how heavy the pears are. It's easily probably a pound or more. So go ahead and blend it into a slurry. Just like pulse it for 2 seconds and then pretty much done. I'm going to put it in a saucepan because we are going to add a little bit of sugar. This is basically less than half a cup of sugar that we're adding into this. And it doesn't, I don't think it really needs the sugar. It's actually very sweet. I've ate the pears by itself and it's super sweet. But we're going to go ahead and use the saucepan, cook it until all the sugar is dissolved, and then pour it into the Ninja Speedy container. I'm using a Ninja Creami ice cream machine. So this is pretty interesting. The mixture will just go in the freezer for 24 hours, freeze it completely solid, and then that Ninja Creami will blend it in. Now, after you freeze it, it does change color. I think if you put some lemon juice in it, it shouldn't change color like that, but it does oxidize, so it turns kind of light brown. So it's okay. Turn to sorbet mode, go ahead and push the start button, and then it basically grinds it in like 4 minutes, and it becomes a super creamy sorbet. Super simple. Let's take a taste. Ooh, super, super creamy. Ooh, wow. This is really good. Really good, really refreshing pear sorbet. Simple. I added a little sugar. I don't think you need to add sugar because the pear was already pretty sweet, but I added some sugar with this. But it tastes really good. I'm gonna be honest, this is very delightful sorbet. Not sour, it's just nice, clean, sweet, and it tastes like pears. Anyways, try out the recipe, have fun, share with friends. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye.